I'm using the Privacy Act. That's the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the FBI, to give me some videos that they have of me. They have me in some sexy positions. They have me in all kinds of positions. I lived in 3 houses or 4 houses in Jacksonville, Florida. And look, I went to court. They were terminating my parental rights or taking my dependency for my daughter. And in court, the attorney, Ms. Saladino, for the Department of Children and Families, in open court told the judge that I have a son across town. She asked me, do you have any kids other than this child? I said, I have a grown daughter. She said, no, you don't know of any other child, right? And then now, but you see, they had me on the drugs. The federal FBI went to my house and put drugs or give my girls drugs to put in the food. So I wasn't thinking straight in my mind. They're hoping that, because look, what they did, they pissed me off. They were coming up saying all kinds of stuff about me, all kinds of allegations of making them crazy, this and that. And they wanted me to strike out the court. So the judge would have ordered me to go for a mental evaluation. When he orders that, you got to go right through it to psychiatry and put me in a mental institution. But somehow, I did not behave in an unseemly way. I just couldn't respond right. You know, I was on some kind of thing that had put me on. And so I listened to the stuff, and so recently it dawned on me that what they were talking about. At a certain particular house I was living in, I know a guy was going upstairs with a briefcase. I know he was putting stuff upstairs. He wasn't no tradesman. He was putting these equipment upstairs. So this young lady and I working at the bus company, Atlantic Express. We decided to go by me and get busy with some little calisthenics. And they saw her going in there with the video and everything else. And they were able to follow her up and saw that she was pregnant and that she delivered the baby. And they went over and talked to the lady about the baby. And talked to her about me. If I go over there and I play and I want to see the baby and all that, call them and this and that. And the attorney saying, for the Department of Children and Families, they're going to let this child be with the mom for now. But if they see that he has any spark of brilliance like me, they're going to take him. So, I mean, I know that the FBI and the Department of Children and Families were upset with the things I was saying in Jacksonville, Florida, because they couldn't understand it. All right, and so they know that I'm brilliant and bright, and so they took my children away so that they can't come to be brilliant and bright. This is the white people agenda: take away, black people that have sense, put them in jail, put them on drugs, kill them, lock them up, demoralize them, so that we can't, as a people, show that we have, some smarts. On the other hand, the white folks are declining significantly, because when you look at what's going on in the world today, you wonder if these people have sense, period, And so I'm asking the FBI to give me the video. Oh, she said that I have this child. She said that the FBI told her about it, and she asked them about the sex act, if I have a big dick, and if there was a lot of foreplay, and she talking to the judge like black people like that and this and that. And she also talked about the FBI told her that they have evidence or videos where me abusing the child. So I want to see that, And so I've requested them to give me videos from 4 houses I lived in, and I'm gonna wait and see what they're gonna do. I want to see these videos. They have me in some sex movie video there. I need to see that myself.